There you go. Perfect. All right. Real quick before we get started, with this, we'll check to see if this motherfucker is playing. All right, we got volume. All right, we got volume. All right. Okay. Let's go. Let me get on some first. They already did what I wanted to do. Basically. So with that being said, what else we do? Yeah, that's what's about to happen. I think that's what's about to happen right now. If I'm not mistaken, either way, certain things have to happen in order for me to take a trade. I mean, it doesn't. No matter what the S&P does, based on the entry of the 144. So, um, here's what I got. Since I missed 30, Jesus Christ, I got on the 6th. I have this entry here. This high was swept through. I have a precision swing point. Now, this is not the kind of precision swing point that I usually use. I usually use because it's more than 3 candles, but it's okay because I'm gonna use it anyway. So with that being said, let's go to. I'm just gonna keep an eye on this 6 minute because I got him coming here. But what I'm gonna do first, currently, is I'm gonna look at this 3 minute real quick. Just loading up for some reason. Gotta wait for him. Let's see. I have some 1 minute. What the hell? This shit seems loading up, dude. Hold on. I'm not getting any shares, bro. This shit is fucking not fucking sharing the motherfucker. There we go. God damn. Y'all motherfuckers bullshit, man. Here we go. Um, why is this bitch loading, dude? Yeah, I got my other charts in this fucking load. Really? You gotta be fucking shit. Alright, I tell you what. Coming into the 144. We're on the one. Slow ones. Other charts are slowly loading. I got a POI on the 6 minute down low, and here's what it looks really. There we go. Here's where it is. It's down at 6:12 a.m. candle. 6:08, 6:12 a.m. candle is what I'm looking for to get. That's the candle where I'm thinking we're about to go back. Create an SMT on lows. Hopefully, all assets do not sweep it. and we're going to gauge it off of that. Alone. Um, we're getting the S&P on the highs right now. So I do have us falling into that. We got S&P between Y and Q currently on the one on the highs that I had marked out previously. We're also setting up on 144 to the downside. Hopefully we can get a red candle fall through the 924 candle. If the 924 candle gets closed up under right now, we have a sell, incoming sell coming right here. This low on 924, we have a 3 candle pair. Red candle, red candle. That's if it closes below it. If it closes below it, we have a potential trade. So, but it's got to close below. Let's see what they want to do real quick. Not in a rush. If it shows up, it shows up. If not, well, do know that. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It already closed and it didn't close below, so it don't work. And ES is not on the line right now. Everything is immediately on the line, bro. All entries are gauged immediately. Every once in a while, you'll get a pass entry. I mean, if I think it's acceptable, but for the most part, I'm only looking for what I told you to be looking for last, based on 1, 2, 3. One high, one pullback, immediate blow through. That is it, bro. If you embed that in your memory, you'll be good to go. You'll never need me again. So it could be happening to the top side right now. So let's just watch that real quick. All right, it just closed above one NQ between one asset. Hopefully it closes above the 22 candle and the 917 candle with this next candle. That'd be awesome. At that point in time, I will be looking for buys. And I will take a stab at it. Being that it's early, I'm not gonna wager too much on it. Got to have a shallow stop loss. It's gonna be on a 1 minute, so it should be pretty shallow. But market is about to open. I'm sure it's gonna give a fucking huge ass wick somewhere. So with that being said, our PSP is at 926. PSP is at 926. It should be relatively obvious. All right, so let's do that. Let's mark that out. 926 candle. And I'm gonna mark it out on all assets. Also, we just blew through the 730, bro, to the top side. The 730 open. So that's powerful in itself. Unless all candles close below the 926 candle. So let's see what they want to do. Open is about to happen real quick. Horizontal, 926 candle. All right. I mean, YM just swept the 926 candle. YM just swept the 926 candle. All right, let's see what. There we go. All right, we're going down as expected. Let's see where the closure happens at. Being aware of a POI on the 6 minute. Let me switch to the 3 minute. Gauge that real quick. I got nothing on the line, nothing on the line. And YM, come on, YM, load up, bro. Fucking bitch. My YM 3 minute is not loaded. I can't tell what's going on. 3 minute on YM. So yeah, oh, YM went up. Okay. In Q. I got in Q. I got that screen up. As a matter of fact, it just is kicking in right now. There's okay. I see what why we're nowhere near the line. I just wanted to check to see where it was in relative to in relation to the line. These trusts are low, so freaking slow. This is fucking crazy. I got charts blanking out on my screen. Fuck, this is bullshit. All right, y'all tripping, dude. All right, come on, guys. Come on, load up, load up, load up. Y'all should not be glitching out every time I check. I hate to cut this off and refresh. I'm not trying to do all that. Come on, 6 minutes. Oh my 6 minute just okay. 6 minute POI just got swept on NQ. That's what I'm talking about. Got all this stuff mapped out pre fucking market, bro. 612 candle. YM is EMA. That's fine. I'm gonna wait this one out. We already knew it was fucking going down based on the 30-second earlier. I mean, there wasn't nothing I could do about that. I mean, there kind of was, but I'm not playing with these people. So should have, could have, would have been in that. Shit, we ain't worrying about the chop. We worrying about the strategy, bro. It played itself out on the 30-second. When I said I missed it early when we was going over the 9 minute, I already had shit marked out on the 30-second, bro. I already got shit marked out on the 6 minute. We're at the 6 minute zone. We don't care about chop is irrelevant for what we got going, dude. Unless you're talking about news cam. Period. We don't have the same issues as other people. That's just random talk right there. And that's we don't have those issues. So since the 6 minute got swept on in Q, I'm on the 30-second over there. I'm just watching to see what they quick. It doesn't matter, bro. If it's on the line, then we got to gauge something. Other than that, where it's going is irrelevant to us. Right? It's irrelevant. If you log that in, you'll be straight. It's irrelevant of what it's doing, where it's going, how fast it's moving, how big the candle is. Is it on the line? Is it giving us a swing high on the line? Is it giving us a blow through on the line? Those are the only questions that need to be asked, bro. That's it, bro. When you lock that in, you be straight. I mean, just think about what I'm saying, bro. We only trying to get in. Yeah, we only trying to get in. That's it. So these bitches are low enough. All right. So being that YM has not been low at 6:12 a.m., I'm expecting this bitch to turn around. So if we're going to see if it wants to do that, they can go as far as it wants to. They're going to give us something on this line. There ain't going to be just not anything. And there could be, they could potentially go and hold that bitch up to this afternoon. At that point, really fucking matter. I'm not going to have to do anything. So until it comes to the 144, I got nothing on the 30. I got nothing on the 15 second. We're going to wait this out. First and foremost, let me get my ass off of the goddamn 15. I got that closure below on the 6 minute. On NQ, ES has not closed under that POI. It has wick below the PI. Doesn't mean anything because wicks just do damage. They ain't telling no kind of story. So I'm looking to see if they're going to give us something. We have a gap down. I think I'm about to go ahead and enter a buy now. And I'm gonna put my stops at the low. I'm entering this bitch won't even let me enter in the fucking trade, dude. I'm entering 2 and stops at the low, dude. If they want to continue on, I'm just gonna put it below the 936 candle. What? Oh, this shit just refreshed while I was in the goddamn trick. God damn. Did these motherfuckers even put my stop loss on? That's crazy. I might have jumped the gun. Bro, I have no stop loss even gauged on this. Jesus Christ, what in the world is going on? My whole computer is just frozen up after I got in the fucking trade, dude. I don't even know. I don't even know if they put the stop loss on. Fucking bitch. It says it's on, but it's bro. I am down $100 on that fucking trade, bro. And I can't do anything about it. Anything about this fucking trade, bro. You gotta be shit. You gotta be shit. They let me get in this trade, but it won't let me set a fucking stop loss. All right. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck this. We do have an S&T on that low right there. That's cool. Hopefully they continue on. Hopefully I just mind my business and stay out of this. Matter of fact, let me get in see if I can get in there and live. This is where it's going from, bro. I can't even fucking get it. And nothing won't fucking load up. You gotta be fucking shit. Unfucking believable. That's the trade right there, bro. That's the trade. Yeah, I can't even fucking goddamn see anything on the screen. So my screen is blanked out on my Apex account. Shit. This screen just fucking blanked out too, dude. God damn. Can't hear you. What'd you say? Say, bro, you're breaking up, bro. What? Say what? It's running. It's running. I would have to log out and log back in to it real quick. Uh, I could run with it, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, dude. Um, these bitches have me in fucking sales, dude. Stop loss. That's crazy. Stop. 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 You're fucking tripping. God damn it, bro. I'm screwed. I'm screwed up on this thing real quick, bro. I can't fucking see it. They kicked me out of trade. They put me in sales after set the stop loss the first time. It didn't show up on the screen. Fuck. It had put me in sales. I was down. Jesus Christ. Everything from last night got blown out of proportion. God damn, bro. Oh well. You know something? I'm about to refresh this. I gotta shut this bitch down. I can't do that. Hopefully this. Let me see. Restart. All right. So we got kicked out. Screen was glitching. Got raped on the fucking goddamn charts because I couldn't set fucking stop losses on fucking trade rate on this computer. It kept freezing up. Got fucked over, and we're down the fucking day $620. So, what do? You just keep on fucking goddamn rolling forward, and you goddamn regroup, and you're gonna turn this bitch back around again. We're gonna wait for this bitch to come back into the damn 1 minute. Uh, if this motherfucker loads, all right. So 1 minute on this side, and we're gonna wait for it to come back into the fucking line again, dude. Yeah, they screwed me over that. They locked me out of all fucking screens. So uh, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the 1 minute setup. That's the only thing I can do right now. All right, that's cool. Yeah, because it only takes one trade to get that shit back. So I ain't fucking tripping. I'm pissed about that shit though, because I could have damn fucking trusted some of that shit up. I'm mad about them fucking setting the stop loss, not showing it on the screen, coming back to kick me out. I kept trying to set the stop loss. All right, let's see how they want to fucking play it. I mean, it's still early. I ain't tripping. I'm gonna pull that shit right back off right now. What's my damn drawdown? Since they didn't fuck me over, I'm at 3,500 on the drawdown. God damn, I dropped a goddamn ram in that motherfucker. Just like that. That's crazy. All right, all right. Let's see. Guys going up from here. This is crazy.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so uh, I'm gonna use this right here on the low one more time. Uh, I got I got three on. I don't take this trade, bro. I'm not at a 144. We're gonna see if they want to blow through this goddamn 948 candle, 947 candle. That's as low as that's where I'm at. There's nothing lower than that. They blow through that, then I'll reassess on the 144 after that. But um, and then do it correctly. All right. Uh, yeah, I got nothing until then though. So it is what it is. We're gonna sit tight and watch these people continuously drag people through the mud on these charts. Uh, till we get to the 144, I got nothing at this point. Well, nothing else. So we're gonna sit and let this play out real quick, bro. I'm also looking at the 30-second on another chart. Um, let's see if they want to drop it through or take it back up. Um, I need y'all to get back to the EMA up there. That's what I need them to do. That'd be awesome. Close 45.50 open 45.50. This should be where it goes from, though, man. That's the only reason I entered you. This was not a regular entry, dude. Of course, you already know that, but um, I entered based on the old pattern. So the old pattern trend took place with the intermediate term high, wick above confirmation, came closed back below, and then I got a closure back below it uh, on, and that was on the 15 second. So that's a that's a that's a rough call right there. But we're uh we're coming back into the 15 second EMA right now currently. So it's coming back up to the line. So let's see if this bitch holds, bro. Um, Dally is 954. They could run the 10 o'clock sweep one more time, and I already know they can. I mean, it is what it is. Uh, maybe they won't. Hopefully they won't. But if they do, then shit. Uh, whatever. I mean, yes, yeah, it is definitely whatever. So I mean, whatever. And then after that, we'll just wait for the EMA after that. So that's cool. Yeah. Blaze through, bro. Blaze through to the top, not the bottom. Dummy. And then when we get back to it, we'll put on a fucking mini. If we get back to it, we're coming up to it slowly. There it's inching 15 seconds. It's like it ain't that far away. It is what it is. What are y'all doing? What are y'all gonna do? I'm on. ES almost is almost there. I'm currently in this one. It's up right now to 100 some change. I'm sure. Here it goes right here. Um, let's see if it holds. I should take one. I put fucking 3 of these motherfuckers on. I should never did. I should have just put 2 and called it a day since they had already raped my ass. Uh, that's okay. It's 150 now. There we go. I'm gonna take one off. Shit, I think it wouldn't let me take one off. That shit crazy. All right, cool. I'm gonna put it right there. You gotta be green enough for me to do this. Really, come on. There you go. There you go. I'll take that one. Uh, we may get another SMT. At that point, I'm gonna put one at break even. I'm gonna leave the other one at the bottom, below the 954 candle, and I'm gonna wait for the EMA on the next trade. ES is coming back into it right now. It's at the 15 EMA. I hate to be down here, but they piss me off. So, all right, cool. It just wicked above the EMA. It's got to create that high. See that right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. Leave me a high on the. Hey, bro. Leave me a high, bro. I'm trying to get ready for this damn minute. Once they come sweep this low again at 11. He's Matter of fact, I'm not letting them get none of this shit back, man. They can kiss my ass, man. I ain't fucking with these people, dude. I ain't fucking. Y'all can't have this back. Y'all can give me the drawdown, but y'all not gonna take the pin and have back down. So, uh, let's see what they want to do real quick. I wouldn't be surprised if they come back down at fucking 10. I mean, just because that's what they should do. If they were the market makers is that's what they do. So, uh, I do have a swing high printed on my EMA currently on yes. It has not blazed through, and it's giving me currently. I would consider this would be fucking 3 candles, bro. 2 consecutive red back down. Yeah, I can consider that. I can consider that 3. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Oh yeah, this looks good, dude. All right, let me find. As long as it closes above, if it closes above, we're in the fucking money. It hasn't closed above yet. We got through it. If I get a closure on this candle here, my PSP would be the 958 candle. Let me mark that out on the 15-second. 958 candle. Damn, this shit be fucking fake. 958 candle. All right. All right. Matter of fact, let me trail one of these motherfuckers off. God damn. One of them. At least I came up a little bit. Shit, fucking bitch. All right. What's the 958 candle? 958.45. 958.45. Oh, they already came down on YM, bro. YM is all out of freaking whack, dude. This might be weird. This bitch might take off from there. Oh, I got one printed on NQ's 15-second right now. Swing high print. Boom, boom. Let's see what they want to do real quick. God damn it. What the? Okay, see, that's that bullshit. Okay. No entry. No entry. I'm going to the 30-second. No entry on 15. God damn, bro. Okay. 30-second. YM is nowhere near any 30-second. This is fucking garbage. Okay. This is going to be only on ES and NQ currently. So let me switch back over. Damn, I'm not showing this shit, bro. Man, I ain't got no screens up, man. This shit kicked me off the screen, dude. Why you ain't tell me, dude? That's crazy. Fuck. Give me something. Okay, 1 minute is up at the EMA. 30-second blaze through it on ES. NQ is coming into the EMA. All right, so bro, they still ain't having. They haven't given me a fucking intro, bro. Oh yeah, I'm up 160. I'm only down damn 300 right now, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm still holding it, dude. I ain't. You know, they got to give me some of this back, bro. I'm not gonna be down $700 just like that off of one trade. They kiss my ass like that. Hell no. The cool point thing about the thing is it was a quick readjustment, and I'm happy with it, regardless of what they did, based on where I got in at on this low. The one I recommended you not get in on because it was a gamble, bro. That was a complete gamble just based on the old entry. Yeah, they may be setting this up on the 30-second. Hopefully they don't come back down, but the 30-second looks to be setting up right now on the with the pattern. I got high, low. If this candle closes above the 30-second, we got game. We got game on. Please close above. Oh, they're bullshitting on the 30-second, bro. But they just printed another swing high on the line. So I got two swing highs on the line right now. If they leave both of these swing highs and then sweep through both of them, that's the one that we're looking for. Remember from last week when it prints two swing highs back to back on line, staggered, and then blow through? I'm gonna pull it up. I'm gonna put it up on the chart. Hold on. Right here. Come on, 30-second. Well, it's only one now. It went through the top. All right. So on the 30-second, we got this high right here. We got fair value gap, volume imbalance right here. This volume imbalance right here at the 1003 candle. 1003 candle. I need my PSP is the 1003 candle, and YM is below it, bro. Already, YM is doing some real funky ass shit, dude. But if I get a closure on YM above the 1003 candle, because they have a volume balance at the top of it, I will enter. But I'm going to hold on for a second to see what they want to do on the sweep. So I gap down on the 30-second current candle. Closure bow loader 1003 candle would be great for NQ. I'm still watching. This might be it. Yeah, I got. I'm not going. I'm not guessing if it's going to go up. They got to give me the entry right now, bro. Other than that, I just have to roll with what I'm currently in. And YM is heading in the wrong direction. So let's see how they want to play it. YM gap down again. Let's see if we can get a closer back above their gaps. Matter of fact, my stop loss is too low. I need to move this up. I'm not. They can't come all the way back down there. I had that the damn original entry. Okay, now we got the pattern. Now we got the pattern again on the 30-second, bro. And ES is doing the same thing. Oh, that looks good. Let's shit. Where would the Where's the PSP at then? If they're gonna do that, I can't see it. Anything on this right now, bro. I can't see anything. I'll tell you what. Let me look at the 1 minute over here real quick. It's coming back into the 1 minute now. Coming back to the 1 minute on ES as well. YM is still in a freaking free fall. I'm up 200 on this trade. I'm not about to give y'all all of that because y'all rate me too bad. I can regroup and reassess from here. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm aggressively trailing now. Yeah, they took too much this morning. Just off that fucking mishap, glitch, whatever the freak they want to call it. Whatever I want to call. Okay, I'm out. The count is currently. Hold on, bro. They're coming back to sweep that 1003 candle right now. Okay, let's see what they want to do. I'm currently negative 273 on the day currently. By no fault of mine on them, since computers want to freaking freeze up around here. I got ES coming back to sweep the 1003 candle currently, bro. Where's my volume imbalance on 10 on ES? Do we have one? They're creating one right now on the current candle they're printing. If the next candle opens up, gaps up or gaps down on ES, and it closes above the volume imbalance that it created at 1007 and 1008. Matter of fact, oh gee, it gapped down, swept the low. If we get a closure above the, God, that would be really, really high, dude. Right now, it would have to be the 1006 high for me to get in, and I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that if it wants to do that. But let's see how they want to play it. But it's got to close at 1006 high because there's no volume imbalance in that entire leg, a 30-second, based on what I'm looking at right now. Close 84.75, open 84.75, open 84.50. Hold on, close 84.50. Yeah, it's got to go all the way. We gap down just now. Again. This is gonna be tough, dude. This is not gonna be like a lot of cards, right? I might put 2 on this one right here. I think I'm going in for buys. At a candle close, I need this candle to close right now. If it has to close for me, you know. All right, I'm in buys. The contracts on, and my stop loss is going below the 1005 low. Let's see if it holds. Well, probably the 1003 low. Well, you can look at it how you want to, bro. I'm looking at the 144, dude. However you feel. How do you feel, brother? We have it the entry pattern setting up again on the 1 minute if they want to let it hold. All right. Yeah, I'm currently in need right now with two contracts. It's we're gonna see if they want to let this shit hold. I mean, ain't nothing I can do about it right now. So all the parameters were met though. So we still could possibly get an entry on the 1 minute as I'm looking at it on the NQ. So I'm gonna switch back over to the 1 minute on NQ real quick in ES just to see what they want to. If they want to come down, uh, we'll have to see based on the freaking low that they don't have any lows that's got swept. So I mean, they're creating lows, but I don't see anything else, bro. I don't only see up from here. Um, let's see if they want to hold it. There ain't. I see lows on ES, but there's nothing. Nobody got closed under, dude. There's nothing that got closed under. It has to get closed under. Swing low, pull back, close under. That's the pattern. Swing low, pull back, close under. Nobody closed under a swing low on the line, bro. Look at it thoroughly. I ain't saying it couldn't go down. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying the pattern didn't reveal itself. We got a 10-12. We got a 10-12 low ATT time. Let me see if we got a SMT. Y'all gonna give me an SMT on low to go up? Hmm. Tell you what, I'm gonna put on a minute, dude. My stop loss is going below the 10-12 candle. Let's see if they want to let this bitch hold, bro. It looks fucking iffy, but it's shallow as hell, so I'm cool. Yeah, I got a 1009 down here. That 1009 looks really freaked up. I might have jumped the gun on that, but it's okay. I'm cool. 1014. Oh, that is ugly right there, dude. Yeah, they're gonna come sweep this 1009. That's all right. Maybe. Oh, they could. Yeah, I'm out of that. On the mini anyway. 1014. Might have been too early. It's all right. Still watching the. Thought you said you was staying out, bro. Yes. I'm gonna enter two more on the micros. Matter of fact, I'm gonna end two more. I got a total of six. All right. Mm, let's see if they that is right. Don't drop it down. And if they do, that's a wrap. One, two, two, three, four, five. So I only have five on. Okay, that's cool. We're gonna let that roll, and I'm gonna chill on that for the day, and that's a wrap. Since they want to do whatever they're gonna do. Uh, I got equal highs. Ooh, that's ugly. I'm out of one of them. I got four left. 1018 low. Now I'm out of all low. All right. All right. We're fucking chilling. We're chilling. All right. Now it's got to be full three candle. All right. I quit. I quit for the day. What is the draw? What is the draw on the day? Okay. 890. I can do that. And like 500 was my fucking fault. So, or maybe it was because that's what the energy was supposed to bring today. So I'll take responsibility for that. Might have been fucking early on that motherfucker, but it's okay. Yeah, I got equal highs up here, dude. Shit, they might want to fucking goddamn go down for real, dude. Um, let's see. Let's see. So, low, high. See that? Don't come back up now. You gonna come back up now? It's crazy. Don't do that. Going down. Really? Dipshit. Then 15:30. So 16. So 16:30. 18. Yeah, they look like they're ready to go down, dude. I'm taking sales, but I'm gonna put my thought on something fucking high. I'm putting damn 2 on for 116 high. And that's a wrap. And they might want to do the fuckery to still hold up to go to all time high too. 1021 is a low. They're blazing through on the 32nd to the top side. Shout out to shadows. Fuck. They're just sitting on that goddamn line though. I think we need to chill for the day, bro. Should chill for the day, bro. Let's see. I do have NQ sweeping that fucking goddamn fucking PSP on the 32nd for the sweep to the bottom side. So let's see if they want to hold that bitch. Let it hold, bro. 1022 is a high. Yeah, y'all should drop it down for the day and then go back up tomorrow. That'd be fucking awesome. It is what it is, brother. It is what it is. Oh fuck it. Yeah. This lets me know that I need to stay my ass on the damn fucking 1 minute, 3 minute high. Definitely, bro. Definitely. And definitely wait for the damn 3 candle fucking pattern blow through. Uh Matter of fact, it did happen to the bottom side on the 32nd on the ES too as well. So let's see if they want to let this motherfucker hold at the bottom side. Yeah, just chill, bro. Yeah, you ain't got to be in. You ain't got to be in nothing, dude. Just chill. No reason for you to do anything else. Chill. It's the best thing you can do for your nervous system to sit there and have the ability to just watch. And you ain't gonna be able to see what I'm seeing on the damn 30 second, but that's cool. I mean, whether it holds or not, whatever. But matter of fact, let me pull it up. I can pull it up on the screen. Let me show you what I was looking at. I don't know if you can see it. Here we go. You using your screen or no? I mean, you're not on the live stream, are you? I mean, it is what it is. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. You ain't got to. I just wanted to show you what I was looking. I just wanted to show you what I was looking at. But it's all good. Yeah, it could rain for a little bit. I mean, it could still just rain, continue up, bro. It still could be. It could be fucking goddamn waiting. Let me look at the 3 minute real quick to see what they're doing. Shit, that shit's iffy on this goddamn 3 minute, dude. Uh, that shit look like it's going up based on the 6 minute. Goddamn, I hate to look at the 6 minute like that. Goddamn, I was already fucking bullish in the first place. Yeah, I was looking at the run lower from 10.16 all the way to 10.18. That's why I pulled the trigger below the lower 10.15 candle. They're creating they're creating equal highs up there. So okay. Boom. Okay. 30-second high, 1 minute. What y'all gonna do? What y'all gonna do? Let's see. Let me go back to the 1 minute real quick. I got nothing in the fucking 1 minute. Come on. Come on back down a little bit more. You need to come back down to the what can you need to come back down to the 940. That'd be fucking awesome. Okay. And if not, it is what it is. Having anxiety over it, huh? I hear you. We're switching to breaker blocks now. Okay. I hear you, brother. I hear you. I hear you. Mm-hmm. I hear you. Gotta blaze through. Nothing here. What are y'all gonna do? Okay, y'all gonna go to the origination. See what it. I see you going to the top side, bro. Yeah. Come on back down. 949 King. That's what we're looking for, dude. 49. And then head us into the second macro. That'd be freaking awesome. What are you gonna do? Then we're gonna specifically look for that fucking pattern. I got a fucking goddamn track because of that other fucking fuckery. 945. What is 949? Let's see. Let me go back there quick. It's in 949. Come on back down. YM is already down. Like, do something. And that put me back in. I don't see anything. I see a gap down. Wait this shit out. Wait this shit out. Ready now. You're done. You're done. You're doing too much. 3 p.m. go. All right. What? You paper trading? No, man. We're looking for the first three, bro. We're looking for the first three. Close to it. Let's see what they want to do. Let's get my ass. At 30 seconds out of it. It's out of it. And YM is all out of whack. That's cool. Yeah, the move was on that 30-second coming down. That's what the fucking the real move was. I should have fucking got going. Stay locked in on that bitch. I don't know. What you gonna do? I know you. I mean, all signs are showing fucking bullish. That's for certain. Whatever. Make sure you're lying. Make sure you're coming into the 1 minute. One, then like, give me this fucking goddamn look. Give me the look, bro. I got right on in Q. Is it touching? Is it touching? Is it touching? Can you tell? Nope, it's not touching. Sure. Cool. You gotta be through that bitch. Or touch it. Let's go, bro. Current candle, bro. Current candle. Current candle. I'm only using current candle. I didn't had enough playtime this morning. It's gotta be current candle. No. It's all current candle from here on out. I don't. It's too much to get dropped this morning. Whatever's candle's printing is the only one I'm looking at now. Fuck. Oh boy. Hmm. Yeah. Sure. Thing. Okay. You ride this macaron now, homie. 6 6 minutes. Yeah, that's gonna be good. I ain't get mine. I ain't fucking never. Fucking. Well, that's because I fucking couldn't get out of that motherfucker. But yeah. All right. I'm still kind of in this fucking cell. We got out of fucking two the first two fucking questions. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And this is what waiting for that damn line get you. The shit, the ones that are clear, and sometimes individuals don't even show up like you want them to, and then we try to get in trades. Shit, like I said, I'm guilty of that too. Shit is what it is. But we know which ones work. That's great. Hey, there's gotta be, we gotta have no trade days, though. We gotta have no trade days. Man, if you can see that 30-second they tapped in for the fall this morning, that'd be good. But I mean, you got to go to Trade Debate to see it. Eight plus two, 10 plus one. Drop it like it's hot. You know you want to go down. Don't drop it like it's hot, homie. You know? Okay, don't fucking worry about it. Journal. Fucking journal. 811, 811.6. Go on down. I already know. In fact, let me escape this shit real quick, bro. Y'all done let me out. I'm fucking go down again, and I just missed it. Pussies. It's not their fault, bro. You should have got out. Uh, yeah, 6 minutes goddamn showing fucking bearish as a motherfucker. All right. If y'all close below that motherfucker, goddamn, leave it alone for the day, bro. Don't clock out this motherfucker real quick. All right. That's cool. Let's leave it like that. Let's leave it like that. Stay right there. Let's regroup. They let you out. Be happy they let you out. All right. Computer froze terribly. Set stop loss, but it didn't show up on the screen. But it did register in their system. Added. Stop losses. Thinking they would show up on the screen. It created sell orders. When that bitch freeze, you don't take no trades, bro. That's what that mean. That's exactly what that shit mean. All right. What you got on the 1 minute, bro? Nothing. Coming into the one to the top side. First candle. First candle. That's it. One candle. You still alive over there, bro? Okay. There's one. Thought you might have fell asleep again. Yeah, you disappeared yesterday. I like shit. I didn't even know you was fucking goddamn gone. It was quiet. I looked down and shit, you was gone. I like damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. 1 minute on ES. Let's see what they want to do. That's what we're looking for. One high. One high. Close that right there. And then send like one green candle through. That would be awesome if you could do that right now. Like truly so very awesome. After it closes, of course. Hmm. Okay. That looks good, bro. Let's see it. Go through. What's that? It would be. And it's on the ATT time. That's cool. I'm just looking at the line though. We got 3 candles, bro. Everything that we asked, everything that we wanted is right there in front of our faces right now. So let's see how they want to play it. Got to find the PSP first. So the PSP is all the way back at the 1044 candle. If this closes above and leaves a fair value gap. And next, close. Yeah, because it gap down. Current candle gap down, 948 gap down, and then closed above. If this closes above, it should close above. So my origination is at the PSP, which is the 1044 candle currently. All right. And make sure that is the same on all assets. Don't close that fair value gap. Oh, they closed it, bro. Never mind. Well, not completely yet. It's got to close at the bottom of the 1048, the open of the 1048 in order to close it. So let's see if they want to take off without it. Other than that, my entry is at 1044. Yeah, this looks good. Still 1044. Boom. All right, bro. All right, just wait for that bitch to come back down there. And you should be good to go, brother. Let's go. Horizontal line. 1044 on YM. Good. Everybody has a little bit of ways to get back to it. So let's see who's going to be first to win the race. Who's going to win the race back down? Oh, it's perfect time. Macro just started too. So shit. Yeah. There we go. You see what I'm talking about now? Yeah. ES, 3 pattern. Bro, when I say that's all you need, if this might be the one to hold. But I'm taking it. Everything's lined up. Everything. All categories have been ticked off in my box. Now I need a gap through either a closure below or a wick below the wick, one of the two, and a volume imbalance or failure value gap or overlap. Let me blow these candles up because I don't need but 5, 6 candles on the screen just to my line. I don't need to see anything to the left. Everything else is irrelevant now. All right. Oh, you got it showing up on NQ as well. You see NQ? If it closes through, it gapped up. If it closes up to the highs, hell, we got another one set up. Now the question is which one they're going to use. I'm watching YM continuously go down, kind of, sort of. Let's see what they want to do real quick. And we're still early in the macro. Yeah, they about to take this shit up. No? This is what they looking for. Let's let YM sweep because YM is real close, really close. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, and we might be late on this motherfucker too, because I still got the 30-second chart pulled up. They got some old fuckery going on over there. Let's see if they want to blaze on about their business, bro. If they do, it is what it is. But if YM sweeps it, I'll still get in for it by finding the most appropriate low. But they got it. They got to give me what I want. Got to give me what I want. Matter of fact, it's happening again on goddamn fucking ES. That's one candle, 1049, 1050. Is there a fair value gap going through that motherfucker? Nope. I don't see a volume balance at all. Nope. That is not going to work. So, original plan it is for me. All right, bro. Let's just wait for this bitch. You in the macro now. We should be good to go. Mm-hmm. This is what you asked for, buddy. Mm-hmm. Give it to me. What highs are y'all sweeping right now? All right, so 1050. 30-minute cycle high. Got swept. I'm not fucking with y'all on that cycle shit. I'm waiting for this goddamn 3 pattern. I see it. Don't try to throw me off. I see you. That's the devil right there. Come on. Come on back down, bro. You set it up perfect. You set it up perfect. YM is the go-to right now. YM is almost there. Kind of, sort of. Closer than everybody else. Nah, that shit don't scare me. That shit don't scare me, dude. I'm so sorry. If you go, you go. And if this is the one, that's a wrap. There won't be any more guessing because all these highs that print online, and I already know it to be true. All these highs don't mean fucking goddamn nothing no more, dude. We got to stick to these motherfucking 3 pattern shit if this shit fucking plays out. the way it's supposed to. I hope it does, so we both can fucking put it in our memory banks again. Yeah, that'd be awesome for it. Do what's that? Where's the PSP at, bro? If you ain't gonna, I guess you can do whatever you like, bro. It doesn't matter what it should be. Uh, I don't really follow what you're saying, bro. I only see a fair value gap going through the 1049 high on NQ. Okay, and I see the 1049 candle. I do see that. I do see that. But the original play was on 1046, is what I'm telling you. You can't just ignore one and just go skip directly to the other one. I mean, you can, but I wouldn't recommend it. We got YM sweeping, volume imbalance, already set up. Pay attention. Here we go. We got a sweep of the low, of the wick, and a volume imbalance. Closure above equals immediate entry for me. Let's see if it holds. And it gap down again. And it gap down again. It didn't close yet on YM. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, because I'll completely ignore that shit. My stop loss will have to go below the. God damn, bro. They're going to run the S&T one more time, too. I promise you. All right. Is it close? Shit. Bro, it's going to have to go. Goddamn. It's going to be bad, bro. It's going to be bad. I'm not going to sit here and bullshit you. We might want to wait for the next S&T, but I'm going to go ahead and enter anyway. I'm putting on 2. And my stop loss got to go real low, dude. It's got to go fucking. Jesus Christ. I don't want to say the 1051 because that's too fucking shallow. But I'm putting on 2 already just because YM swept. I hear you. You should be out now then. Yeah, absolutely. Next problem below S&T is the 1051 candle. 1051 candle. I'm not expecting it to come to the 1044. If I get a sweep of the 1051 candle and an S&T at the 51 candle, I'll definitely enter another position. So right now I'm currently down $13. That's cool. So the 1051 needs to be swept by ES or NQ. And that's your potential reentry if you want it. So if you wait for a sweep of that low, or the same 1051 candle on or the 1056 candle on YM. I don't think YM's coming back down, no, bro. But 1051 would be the candle for ES or NQ. Let's see who does it first. Leave the fair value gap or volume imbalance, and then close back above. It's the same entry, bro. They already gave it to us. So let's see if they want to let me into 2 more contracts so I can average down. I would rather them not go to that damn fucking 1044. That would be awesome if they did not do that. So awesome if they could go from here. But I already know that they're gonna have to create SMT, so it is what it is. Well, the second SMT anyway. Should have ended on YM. Still got 17 minutes in the macro. 10:59 low. Come on back down one more time, bro. Give me another chance. Are you gonna go? If you're going, then I'm gonna have to hold this for the next couple of hours. Shit, now you're gonna get a higher entry. Okay. This is what I'm talking about right now, bro. Just pay attention to what you're doing. And are you journaling at all? Like, yeah, but you don't have an SMT in process, so I mean, you can do whatever you want to do. But market only turns around on SMTs. No, shit, I want this bitch to come down, bro. Shit, what are you talking about? I'm trying to add on. I ain't got an SMT on the lows yet. We already got a narrative based on the 3 candles. The 3 candles already happened to the top side. We are going up based on the narrative. I need an SMT on the lows, and we do not have the second SMT on the lows yet. Look what's going on, bro. No, not right now. Not without that SMT, bro. Not without, never without the SMT. You need that. There we go. Sweep of the 1051. That's what I'm talking about. Now your volume imbalance, as long as we get this closure, is above, is between the 1101 and the 1102 candle on ES. That's the only entry for me. But it's got to close back above that volume imbalance right there. Then I can enter. We have the SMT currently. The 1102 closed below the 1050 candle. And we have a ATT time. Can't do anything until ES does it though. ES has to close first. I don't care what NQ does, bro. It can move wherever the fuck it wants to move. It is important. It's unimportant. And it can drop at the bottom, but either way, that volume imbalance has to close on ES before I can enter anything else. That's the second SMT right there. Especially if it closes above. If it closes above, it's fucking game on. These motherfuckers might want to drop this bitch at the bottom, knowing these dumbass motherfuckers though. Right where? It's got to be on ES, bro. The sweep has happened on ES. There's nobody else matters right now. Not where I'm at anyway. Yeah, and they can come back and sweep that 1044 candle. That's cool. Do we have another volume imbalance on ES? Let's see. Close. 875. Open. 875. Nope. Volume imbalance is all the way at the freaking top. All the way at the top on the 1 minute. I'm pretty sure there's probably something on the 30-second, but I'm not going down there. I'm not going down there at all. Absolutely not. I still had to pull it up over here on this other chart, but there ain't no fucking volume imbalance, bro, on the 30-second either, Holland, except for at the top. So, let's hold on for a second and see what it is. I don't care about them lows being printed on the line, bro, at all. And that don't mean fucking anything. They just have to stop me out. So. And they are all the way down right now. Now ES is coming into that low, which I don't want. That's cool. They can do that. As long as they don't sweep that 140, 1044 low, it's still fucking game on for me. That's why I said it was going to be a big ass stop loss. Let's see if they want to make this motherfucker hold. Now we got a volume imbalance on ES. There we go. A lower one. That's cool. That's even better. Come on. Slow down, NQ. Slow down. It's okay. Closure above the 1005 volume balance on ES would I'll enter another one. Oh, come on, slow down, ES. Don't do me like that. You can go there. That's fine. If you close below, there's a problem. I can take that wick. I can take that wick. You close above that volume imbalance on ES, I'm still entering. That'd probably 11:06 ATT time. Cool. Come on. Give me that close above the ES. Come on. Come on. Don't fall through. Don't fall through, NQ. Don't do it. Don't do it. If you do, it's a wrap. And I'm cool with that. All parameters were met. Dally, the stop loss is fucking big as hell, but it is what it is. And honestly, shit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hold. Hold, bitch. Hold. Your stop loss is still below the damn 1044. Come on. Come on. Hit that volume balance. Low 77, 75, 75. Open. 76. That's a volume balance on ES again. It closed below. Now I can't break the fucking wick. If it breaks the wick, it's a wrap. I'm done. 11:08. Oh, that's it. That's a wrap. You're done. It's gone. That's ugly as fuck. All right. That's a wrap. What are you on today, bro? Ooh, that's bad, brother. That's real bad. Well, I've seen worse, but that's bad. That's fucking 12. 12 on a day. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, and I said I wanted to come back to the fucking goddamn 949 candle. That's fun. That's funny as hell if it comes back to that motherfucker. I don't know if you remember that, but yeah. Yeah, because it's sweeping it right now on ES. Fuck around with me, I'll re-enter that bitch, bro. Where's the volume imbalance on? I don't see a volume imbalance on ES at all, anywhere. Those 7450. Do what's that? Yeah, yeah. You can use a fair value gap. So that would be 10:07. Yeah, absolutely. You are 100% correct with that, buddy. I did forget that. I forget it's the same. Yeah, so one big ass candle past the 10:11:07 FVG would be awesome. And I'll fucking pull the trigger on it. Just because it's swept 9:49 candle. But this is only, I mean, it's only going to be fucking two contracts. Everything is two contracts from this point until I get back to where I need to be. Shit. See what they want to do, brother. No, it doesn't. It doesn't at all, dude. Yeah, sure is. Uh, I don't think you missed anything, buddy. I think that fall. I think that volume balance is gonna fucking that fair value gap is gonna fucking be the one. That's what I think. But whatever. 11:11 low. Gap down on ES. The fair value back is what I'm looking at, bro. I'm gonna pull that. I'm gonna pull that, and that's only based on uh uh yeah. Let me see if they really want to make it pull, bro. I mean, stop loss is still the low of 11:11. If it gets there, if it closes back above it, 11:11 is the lowest barrier. I mean, there's nothing lower than that for me. That's if it closes above, but whatever. We're still in the macro, bro. Yeah, I mean, so it's like okay, this would be probably where it rips from rips if it goes. See what they want, and if they just continue down, then I'm closing out the charts. I'm gone. What I do know is they created a high inside that fair value gap. That 11:12 high. Yeah, technically speaking, absolutely. I mean, I definitely would rather it close the whole fair value gap, definitely. But yeah, they run that bitch up. It's go time. I don't need no. I don't give a fuck about no bottom wicks. You can do that all you want, motherfucker. That bitch gap down and gap down below that. Yeah. Going back up. Change that shit to fucking 11:17, 11:19. Go ahead, dude. Nah, hold on. Let me see. It's ES and YM. Yeah, if NQ gets down there, that's yeah, it's definitely a wrap. And then I'm gonna go back and look at that 30-second entry I should have fucking took this morning based on the entire fucking fall. What's that? 11:15. If the highs are equal, uh, I guess I would say so. Depends on what the other assets are doing. I guess I don't know, bro. I mean, I don't know. I'm not really doing the inside bars, bro. I mean, I see them all over the place, but shit, I don't get in on them. I don't fucking trade them. So yeah, man, if it works for you, it works, bro. I mean, you just got to keep playing with it. The only way to learn it is to play with it. If you want to put it in your toolbox or your ammunition box, then you're gonna have to trade it to see how it works. I've seen it hit or miss. I mean, but yeah, I still think I'm gonna wait for the 11-12 high, dude. Yeah, yeah, it looks like they ain't trying to do none of that shit. They're probably about to start dumping it with goddamn biggie red fucking candles. They done did all this to do that. Yeah, they're fucking yeah, they're going down, bro. They're fucking goddamn going down. The only thing that they might do is they might tap back into the potential. I hate to say it like that. The breaker block, goddamn, fucking at 1043. That's the only thing that's holding price where it is now. So that's the only thing that you can tap into. Yeah, because ES is way below that fucking low now. The 951 low, way below it. Yeah, that's a wrap. All right. Well, it's been a fucking shitty day. Partly my fault, all my fault, and everything serves me in order to get to where the fuck I'm going. So I'm gonna fucking end this fucking stream right here and fucking go on about my merry way. That's a wrap. Peace.